If they're empty, I'll drive around with the 5-gallon water bottles, just in case I come across a scene like this where the water station and the line in front of the water station is not that long. So this is a good opportunity to refill at Starwater here on Beach Road. Line moves fairly quickly. People are in and out. I found out though that there's no ice, only water. That's what the sign says. However, the fellow there was nice enough to let me know at that time they did have ice.
Yes, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
3.
We also have purple ice today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you can
Okay.
get.
I'll take some ice too. How much? What's the limit?
Only one.
That's fine.
It's $2.25 per bottle. Price just went up maybe about 2-3 months ago as the economy worsens, but it was at $2 for quite some time. $2 for a 5-gallon bottle of reverse osmosis filtered water.
Thanks.
They did already
Yeah.
here, but it's like 3. Okay? 3 to the sorry, yeah. Permission?
No, have to make sure.
Yeah. 3 bottles and 1 ice.
Yeah.
And then I pick up my bottles.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Oh, nice.
And you'll get to see how I judiciously use this water for cooking in a new series I'm starting thanks to the suggestion of one of our members. It's called Saipan Savory, and the first episode is going to be the Typhoon Kitchen. Subscribe so you don't miss it.
Watch you like you're on my
Subscribe.
Come on,
You know what am I saying?